New Orleans City Council member Jarrett Brossette pleaded not guilty for the Democrat from Gentilly today. Brossette did not attend the hearing, leaving some to question why. WDSU's Travers Mackel live at traffic court with the answer. Travers.
No reason was given, but Brossette's lawyer says it's legal for his client not to appear for a misdemeanor charge. Others say it's just not a good look. Leaving court alone, attorney Brian Capitelli wanted to make one thing clear about his client.
Councilman Brossette did not receive any preferential treatment in connection with the waiver of his appearance today.
The law allows Capitelli to enter a plea for Brossette. Brossette signed an affidavit granting him permission.
In any event, he has the right to do so, but it's not a good look in terms of the public.
That plea was not guilty to driving under the influence. In June, cops say Brossette crashed his city-issued SUV into another vehicle in Gentilly. A bystander caught some of the aftermath on video.
The optics are, when you're hiding behind your lawyer, it typically means you have something to hide.
And UNO political analyst Dr. Ed Chervenek says Brossette is held to a higher standard given his position.
He is a public official operating in the public trust. He needs to, he needs to behave it to a higher standard. He needs to be transparent. He needs to be standing before his electorate, explaining about what happened.
We asked Brossette's attorney if a plea is coming, given the fact that Brossette has never disputed the allegations.
I can't answer that at this time. All I can say is Councilman Brossette, as you know, has undergone treatment and therapy and is continuing to do that and is doing much better right now. And he's working with his friends and family and he's doing a lot better, and that's all I can say about that.
The next hearing in this matter, more than 2 months away, it's scheduled for late October.